Hey Fox, this is a 2013 Honda Fit, and I'm doing the expansion valve and the AC compressor. I'm just gonna show you how to get the expansion valve out. This is the old compressor here. Got a new one coming up. Using my gauges, the AC. So to take the expansion valve out, what you want to do is you want to take the box that's right here. So you take a couple screws that hold the box, like one right here, one here, and some screws that hold the box. And this is the box, the blower motor box. Take that out. You have to take the metal plate that is right here. Let me show you the metal plate. This plate right here. You gotta get this plate out. Once you take it out, you kind of wobble the box and you pull it out, and then your expansion valve is right up there, because you cannot get it out from the front. So that's your expansion valve, and this have two Allen screw right here. So you gotta get this one out and this screw, and then you kind of pull this out. You slowly pull it out, because you don't want to bend those pipe too. So once you pull the screw out, you pull it out, and then that's the same way you pull out the evaporator. So in case if your evaporator is leaking, you can just replace it at the same time. That's all I want to say, and then yeah, when you replace the expansion valve, you just put it back the same way. It's easy, no hard to do it. Alright. This is my new shop. I just opened my new shop and doing some work.